That was odd. Like, what was that?
We're actually just finishing up our 2-day drill. It was already scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday, and so when we showed up Tuesday, they immediately told us that we were going to be coming out here, so we got all of our stuff up and ready to go, loaded up the trucks. We actually sent half of our platoon out that day. The remaining 15, 16 of us stayed back and actually went out on Thursday. This here is the main aid and drop-off site for the city of Pateros. So we've had people coming in and out all day, just dropping off food, water, supplies. I mean, you name it, it showed up. And so our job here today is just really to assist them, with extra manpower, just helping them accomplish what they need to do. When you join the National Guard, you always know that it's the Guards. One of our roles is to come out here and support our community in situations such as this. And it's the first opportunity that I've had to actually come out and assist the state of Washington and the people therein. So it's really awesome opportunity to really see and feel and touch, what the Guard can really do for the people of the state. You see things like this on TV, but until you actually show up and you see the faces, you see the homes destroyed firsthand, it really hits you.